Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here, and today I have an awesome sculpted shoulder workout. It's easy, it's effective, and we're gonna have a blast. So let's get into it. If this is your first time on our channel, on one of our videos, thank you so much for being here. Take a second to click subscribe and the bell because that lets you know when we post next so you don't miss out. If it's not your first time, welcome back. Thrilled to have you. Now let's get into our awesome exercise. We are going to be doing 3 sets. The first one, more explanation, demonstration, I walk you through proper form. And then the second and the third one, straight through it, less talking, more doing. So if you feel like you have a good knowledge of movement, go ahead and get to that second set. If not, we're starting with butterfly wings. So these are really fun. We're gonna have our hands overhead, all right, our palms together, over our head, so our elbows are kind of pointed outward, all right? And we're gonna bring them in and then open. So like a butterfly wing, open, close, open, close. Now I really want you to remember to keep your rib cage closed because here it's kind of easy to splay it out. Let's kind of open it, but boom, lock it in and just focus on those arms and those shoulders, all right? In position, feet are hip width apart, slight bend in the knees, all right? 30 seconds, big breath, and let's go. Now, even though we are focusing on our upper body here, our entire body is engaged, all right? I have a nice strong stance. I'm squeezing my leg muscles. I have a nice bend in the knees. All right, chest is up, rib cage is closed, core is engaged, and we're smiling. Those cheek muscles are working too. All right, very good, almost there. Ooh, I feel the burn already. 3, 2, 1, and down, shake it out. Wow, easy but effective, like I said in the intro, I'm telling you. Next, we have unicorn taps. These are fun. It's a name me and Meredith came up with for this exercise. We didn't know what to call them, so unicorn taps it is. In that nice strong stance, we're gonna bring our arms up, back of your hands facing each other, all right? And you're going to slightly open them, not all the way, just a little bit. That's where the control comes in, and then tap them, open tap, all right? Small controlled movements, really squeezing your arms, controlling how far they go. Fast, fast, fast little pulses. 30 seconds on the clock. Good stance, strong posture, and breathe in, let's go. Quick, 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 quick. And again, here, our arms are up, but that does not mean our rib cage is splayed open, okay? Tucked in stomach, tucked in butt. And shoulders are away from your ears. It's kind of easy to, scrunch up here. Make sure you push them away from your ears. Very good. Breathing, big breaths. And 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. This is just the demo, but my arms are already on fire. See? Little, quick, effective. All right, we're moving on to palm flips, all right? So for palm flips, we're gonna start with our arms to our sides, all right? Our palms are facing forward and we're going to flip them so that they're facing backwards. So they come forward, down, backwards, and then come back to starting position. And we're gonna do that really quick. And it's like a little pulse as well. So every time I flip it, I kind of, push it backwards and then push it backwards. So boom, boom, boom. Really quick, relax shoulders, all right? You don't wanna get too much tension up here. Kind of caught myself, getting tight here, but remember to roll them backwards, and there we go. Just focus on those arms. 30 seconds on the clock, strong stance, and here we go. Very, very good. Breathe. I know it's easy to forget sometimes when we're focusing on other things going on, but it's so important to remember to deliver oxygen to your muscles, especially while you're working out. Very good. Breathing. Almost there. Push through, push through. I know it's starting to burn. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Alrighty, last but certainly not least, we have our monkey pumps. This is a Mare favorite. She came up with this name, this move. It's pretty awesome. You'll see it in some of our videos. So we're gonna start with our arms out to the side, bend in the elbows. All right, your upper arm is parallel to the floor, 90-degree angle. All right, and what we're gonna do is we're going to lift up. So a little shoulder press, come back down to that arm position, 90-degree angle, and then we're gonna close our arms, moving our palms facing towards our face, all right? Squeezing your shoulders, squeezing your elbows and your chest, all right? And then opening again, all right? Flip those palms in towards you, open. There we go, that's the full move. So shoulder press, down, monkey pump. All right, continuously for 30 seconds. Again, strong stance. We don't really move from this strong stance. We keep it on all 4 exercises. Easy peasy, breezy, beautiful. 30 seconds on the clock, hands up, and let's go. Press up, down, in. Up, down, in, very good. And remember, you can go at your own pace. That's the beauty of 30 seconds. All right, you can do what's best for you. Just focus on proper form. You know, quality over quantity here. Quality over quantity over, no, I said that right. Okay guys, sorry, had a moment. Quality over quantity, that's right. Breathing, 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good, shake it out, roll it out, and give yourself a round of applause. We're done with set number 1. We're gonna take a few seconds to drink, breathe, stretch, whatever you wanna do, and then we're getting straight to number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 1 done. Time for set number 2. Less talking, more doing. You know what to do. We have our butterfly wings. All right, then we have our unicorn taps. Then we have our palm flips, and ending with our monkey pumps, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. We have our butterfly wings, strong stance, and let's go. Remember, tuck in that stomach. We're not splayed out. In. Very good. Three, 2, 1, down, shake it out, do some rolls, and unicorn taps. Let's go, 30 seconds, begin. Almost there, push through. 3, 2, 1, oh, down, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Rolls and palm flips. 30 seconds on the clock and begin. Remember to keep your shoulders pressed away from your ears, nice and down. Almost there, very good. You're doing great. Push through. You've got this. 3, 2, 1. Feel the burn. Woo! Very good. We're almost there. We're almost done. Monkey pumps. Finish strong. Big breath. And let's go. Remember to squeeze your chest, squeeze your elbows towards each other with those monkey pumps. Yep. Up, in squeeze. Almost there, very good. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Done, very good. 2 sets, done. 1 more to go. Take a second, grab water, breathe, stretch, and we're gonna finish strong with our 3rd set. Alrighty, we have our last set. Unless you're ready for another one after this, then go ahead, rewind, do a 4th. If not, go ahead, let's start with our butterfly wings. 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. Three, 2, 1, down, shake it out, do some rolls, and unicorn taps. Let's go, 30 seconds, begin. Three, 2, 1, oh, down, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Rolls and palm flips. 30 seconds on the clock and begin. Three, 2, 1, feel the burn, woo! Very good, we're almost there, we're almost done. Monkey pumps, finish strong. Big breath, and let's go. Three, 2, 1, done, very good. Alrighty, that was it. 3 awesome sets of your sculpted shoulder workout. I hope you liked it. Let us know in the comments below what you thought, and go ahead and check out the rest of our channel. Some other videos. We have absolutely everything from meditations to stretches to workouts. Go check it out, and I hope to see you on the next one.